I want to take a little bit of time and just simply talk about kicker motors. When I think about a kicker motor, what I want is something that is extremely precise in the low speeds. This is the 9.9 EFI Pro Kicker. What you really want, especially with trolling situations, is we're trolling in cold weather a lot. So good starting in bad conditions is something that I really want to see, and the EFI is going to give you that right there. But what they did with this new 9.9 is actually put it in a tiller handle version and a remote version. I've always preferred tiller handle for a couple reasons. If I'm fishing really sharp breaks, I want to have the ability to turn the boat in a heartbeat and stay on that break. Now what they also did, and I absolutely love, is they put the shifter back in the tiller handle. So you have your forward, your neutral, and your reverse. They kept one of the things that I feel is so important with these kicker motors, and that's the centering straps built into this Pro Kicker. Just like the past models, you'll see when you're trimmed up, it centers that motor for you. When I look at a kicker motor, I don't care if it pushes my boat 6 or 7 miles an hour. What I want it to do is be more precise in that 0.8 to 1.5 to maybe even up to 2.5 mile an hour zone, and that smaller pitch prop is going to do it. One of the other things that I look at is if you're fishing big water a lot, and hopefully it doesn't happen, but it's a second motor that you're able to get yourself in on if anything possibly would happen to your big motor. But the beauty is this new 9.9 EFI Pro Kicker has everything that you would want to make sure that even a big walleye boat like this catches as many fish for you as possible throughout the day.